Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pugmarks and Initiative. I hope you all find yourself in a pink and healthy mood. Friends, we are facing a turbulent time. People's confidence was shaky. They were losing their job. Everywhere you find a feeling of self-pity. Today's topic is, what is your excuse? It sounds weird, but I can make you sure it worth. We are people who are fully capable of doing anything. But if you went back to history, you find people who have less ability or who are disabled, who don't have 100% capacity, yet they perform an extraordinary job. My first example is Helen Keller. She was the first deaf and dumb person to earn a bachelor degree. Remember, she was deaf and dumb. You might heard about the novel Paradise Lost, the most romantic novel in the history of modern world. It was written by John Milton. Surprisingly, he was blind. Beethoven composed a beautiful music, a melodious music, but he was deaf. And we talk about recently Nick Vujicic. No arms, no legs. But he is a wonderful person. He is a living legend. He worked as an evangelist, and by the grace of God, he has a beautiful family, a beautiful wife, and a healthy kid. God bless him. So I just gave you few examples, people who are incapable by birth, yet they perform beautifully. So what is your excuse? What is your excuse? You have a complete body. You have a sense. You are not lunatic. You are not blind. You are not deaf. You are not dumb. But still, we think in a negative way. We feel depressed. We feel self-pity. Remember, self-pity is a crime. Kick out of your life this feeling of self-pity. This is most important. I just give you another example. Take the example of your body. Right from the beginning of your life to the end of your life, your body kept on working. Fine. Suppose some fine day, your heart speaks to you. See, I am pumping blood for your body from the past 30 or 40 odd years. Now, I need a break. And same message delivered by your eyes or your ear or your legs or your hands, then what will happen? Your body parts stop working and you die immediately. Think, when your body are working 24/7, can't we work constantly and rather can't we think positively? Yes, we can produce wonder. Yes, we can produce miracle. Can't we change our mindset to be positive, to think goody goody, or to think win-win? I hope you like this lecture.